Anthony Pavesi from Pavesi's Wave Runner Rentals here, who was nice enough to loan us the Wave Runner, is bringing it up to the dock as we speak. Now, Choco has yet to unrobe. He has actually got a robe on over his life vest, and we're about to see if he decided to go au natural. And actually, Anthony's not looking too excited because he almost caught a face full of Choco. Yep, well, what's going on right now is Choco is on the jet ski with the robe. Choco, you gotta take that robe off. Choco has this robe. Look at me. Oh my God. Here I go. Marino, he just took off like a bandit.
Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo! This is incredible. We have Choco Diablo live on his jet ski. Does it feel cold, Choco?
I'm in the middle of the Hudson right now. Park naked, I'm by a buoy.
Oh my God.
So yeah, this is actually pretty awesome. I don't see any policia yet, so I'm gonna go take another lap.
If you're down by Warriors Park, I'm sure you can see the 400-pound screaming Choco.
In case you're wondering what the madness is, Choco naked on a Wave Runner in the middle of the Hudson doing an Enrique thing. He didn't wait till nighttime like Enrique. Enrique kind of wimped out about that. Choco doing it large, no pun intended, all right?
How you doing out there? Choco, I can hear you. I'm right here. Wait to the camera.
I am yeah. It's pretty good right now. Getting a nice tan, nice and even.
I see you made a couple of runs already over to Warriors Park. Anybody wave over there?
Yes, there's a lot of people hanging out in Warriors Park yelling at me, so I was right there.
Why don't you come give the people over here at Mariners a little show? Do a little Circle 8 over here.
Here. You got
all right, there he is. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Choco doing damage. Choco, don't break that boat. Don't break the boat, Choco.
96.1 KISS FM, today's hottest music.